The first thing you need to do today is go to Google Drive. Up at the top, you can type in drive.google.com, or you can go to this little 9-patch or waffle and click on Drive. Okay, this is the old Google Drive. Some of you might have already enabled the new Google Drive, but what you are going to do is, on the left-hand side, be sure that you're in the Shared With Me folder, because you need to find the folder that was shared with you for today's professional development. So here I have an example. This is the social studies resources that the social studies teachers are using. So you want to first find this in your Shared With Me. In the old drive, you're going to click on this little box right here, and you're going to add to my drive. Now, what this is going to do is you'll still find this folder in your Shared With Me. However, you will also now find it in your My Drive right here, Social Studies Resources 10.6 PD. The reason we did this is this will allow us to move files that we create into this folder. Now, even though it's in My Drive, that does not mean I'm the owner of this. So notice that next to this document, it does say that it is shared, and it also says that Allison Hyde is the owner. Now, since this is shared, I can delete this folder, and it won't harm anything. However, if I open up this folder, and I change or delete anything inside of this folder, no one else will be able to find it if you deleted it or moved it out of this folder. And if you modify it or change it, it's going to change for everyone. So today, when you create lesson plans, you need to find the lesson plan template in the Social Studies folder. It's right here, Social Studies CCS Lessons. You're going to open that up and you're going to find the blank lesson plan template. And what you're going to do is, this is editable, so you can actually edit this document. But we don't want you to edit the template. So you can click on the little box right next to it, and you can go up to the More menu, and you are going to choose Make a Copy. You can also make a copy of this if you're actually in the document itself. So if I open up the lesson plan template, this is what you'll see, and this is where you can actually physically type things in, because again, it is shared with you, but we don't want to write on the actual template. So again, here in the document, you can go up to File and Make a Copy. Now I'm actually going to do this, and it's going to ask me to enter in a name. So you're probably not going to want to call this Copy Of, so I'm going to delete this. And you probably don't want it called Blank Lesson Plan Template, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it, for example, CCSS Social Studies, and then you might want to call it the name of the assignment. So in this case, it's for a 10th grade history class on Industrial Revolution, and maybe this is an EAR assignment that was created. So talk to the leaders of your subject area. They may have a particular way that they want you to name it. You don't necessarily need to put your name in it, because it will tell everyone who the owner of this document is. If you check this box, it will share this with the same people. You could check that, and then it will automatically be shared with everyone. However, it won't be in the folder that we wanted. So I'm going to leave this blank for right now, and I'm going to choose OK. And here is my new document that I can go and edit and change and do whatever I want. So maybe the lesson focus question might be something about the Industrial Revolution. But where you will find this, if I go back to Social Studies CCSS Lessons, it's not here. This is just the blank lesson plan template. To find the document that you created, you need to go to My Drive, which is on the left-hand side. Now you can see the top thing, since I have mine sorted by last modified. The top assignment, or the top document, is this EAR. So what I want to do is actually move it into the Social Studies folder, and I want to put it into the correct folder. So this document actually will go into the Social Studies Resources for 10.6 PD, and then if I scroll down, one of the subfolders, if you see here on the left, is Social Studies CCSS Lessons 10.6. So I'm going to open that up, And then right here we have 10th grade. And this is where we want that document to go. I don't have access to that document right now because it's in my drive, and I opened up these folders here on the right. But what I can do is just scroll back to my drive, and on the left I'm going to scroll down because this is going to go into the 10th grade Industrial Revolution folder. I can now grab this document by just clicking, and I'm still have my finger pushed down, I didn't unclick. I'm going to just drag it into the Industrial Revolution 10th grade folder. And now when I click to open this 10-6 Industrial Revolution 10th grade folder, you will see my document right here, and it says the owner is me. If you guys look on this on your computer, in your shared drive, it would say the owner is Melissa Hero. So now this document is here, and I can edit and change it, and other teachers within the social studies departments at all the schools will have access to this lesson plan that is created today. Now remember that you do not want to delete anything within shared folders, because if I delete this assignment, again, it's gone from everyone else. Just like if you moved or deleted something from the share drive or the iDrive, it would be gone for everyone to access. So you want to make sure that you make your own copies, especially if you want to make any changes to the documents here that other people made. If you want to tweak them for your class, make sure you make your own copy and keep it in your own folders in your drive.